everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. This video is a short status update regarding my newest quad build, my 8-inch long-range Cinelifter. I've been working on fine-tuning this quad, which is built using the Straw Hat Aerial LePigeon frame and their Naked Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K kit. The Naked kit eliminates about half of the weight from the camera, and it also helps reduce the vibrations. I've got a link to another video at the end here where I go over the build in more detail. But anyways, this quad is now flying pretty well and it's ready for some prime time filming. None of this video has been stabilized. My goal was to tune the PIDs and control rates to a point where I had the least amount of vibrations and jerkiness. I only want to do any post-stabilization occasionally as needed. I seem to have it finally dialed and tuned in fairly well. As you can see, it's flying pretty stable with minimal vibrations. This build was not configured to be a racer, but instead to be a flowy, smooth flyer, a long-range cruiser for mountain surfing having true cinema camera capabilities and a long flight time. I've custom built some 10,000 milliamp hour lithium-ion packs in a 5S 2P configuration. The aircraft has powerful 3110 1250 kV motors and 8-inch tri-props, and paired with the motors that I have and the props for this quad, it flies around 20 minutes, which is exactly what I need in order to fly up a mountain, do some filming, and fly back. Here I'm just practicing some crude dives, basically learning how the power curve reacts to when pulling out from the dive. This Naked Blackmagic camera setup is ideal for what I'm doing. It has true cinema video capabilities at the least amount of weight. It records 60 frames per second 4K DCI video with 13 stops of dynamic range of exposure. And that's exactly the type of exposure latitude I need for capturing scenes that have both, perhaps, the white, bright snow and the dark shadow of trees. The Blackmagic 12-bit raw codec and their color science behind it is beautiful and is just a joy to adjust and color grade and post. It doesn't break down like 8-bit video does. I'm also using a Laowa 7.5mm t2.1 Cine lens, which has some excellent optics and is very rectilinear. You don't have any of that barrel distortion that you do from a GoPro or an action camera, and there's no need to adjust it. Anyways, the next video I hope to post some truly cinematic mountain surfing videos from this rig. Thanks for watching.